lost in the fog, in the horror on the harbour. I'm caught by the tide, in a boat with no anchor. I'm sailing away to an island that can't be found. I'm watching the stars asleep in the ocean, chained to the helm with a rod that's broken. I'm all at sea with a boy that I once knew was drowned. I'm leaving on horses of white. The foam as the ghosts sing down in the deep, with the wreck still waiting to